Hey guys, this is Subhash Kashyap Jha, greeting from Vibrant Moodubidire. Today we are going to discuss the NEET 2025 question paper. Paper used to come like this during 2016-17 time. Pre-COVID time, the paper used to be like this. During last few years, the paper used to be very easy, but this is the better version of the paper. I feel appreciated because this is the paper should be. Let us start discussing. The first question is of current and electricity. It's very simple question, circuit based. Here you can say there is a 1.5 ohm resistance, there is a 5.5 ohm resistance, and there is 1.3 ohm resistance connected in series. These three things are in series, these three resistors along with the battery. What are they asking? They are asking us the current passing through the battery in the given circuit. How much current is passing through the battery? If we can see that all these things are in series, so whatever current passes through this 1.5, 5.5, same current will pass through the battery. Let us understand. If we can see this combination, here we have 5 ohm resistance, here we have 2.5 ohm resistance, here I have a 3 ohm resistance, here I have a 1.5 ohm resistance. This 3 ohm resistance and 2.5 ohm resistance, 5 ohm, 2.5, 3, 1.5 makes a Wheatstone bridge. 5 by 2.5, 3 by 1.5, the ratio is same. If the ratio is same, middle resistance, the bridge resistance will be cancelled. What will happen? This 3 and 5 will come in series, 2.5 and 1.5 will come in series. So it will become something like this. Here we have 5 plus 3, 8 ohm, and on the other side we will have 4 ohm resistance connected like this. Now 8 and 4 will give us what? 8 into 4 by 8 plus 4, 12. It will give me 8 by 3. 8 by 3. This entire combination is going to give me 8 by 3 ohm. This 8 by 3 ohm is connected in series with 1 by 3 ohm. 8 by 3 ohm plus 1 by 3 ohm will give me 9 by 3. I am considering it 3 ohm. This entire combination is going to give me 3 ohm. This together will give me 3 ohm. 3, 1.5, 5.5. All will come in series. That will give me 3 plus 7, that is 10 ohm resistance. Now we can see our total is 10 ohm, our voltage is 5 volt. They are asking us current will be V by R, that is 5 by 10. I am going to get 0.5 ampere current. So answer is going to be the third option. This is 47th number code of the paper. First question is of current and electricity. Answer is going to be 0.5 ampere. Very simple question. Let's solve the second one. Let us solve the second one. Second question is of electromagnetic waves. If you can see, there is a chapter in 12th, that is electromagnetic wave. What are they saying? There is electric field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by Ez is equal to 60 cos 5x plus 1.5 into 10 raised to power 9 t time volt per meter. They have given an equation of electric field and they are asking us expression for the corresponding magnetic field with the direction. If you can see, this is Ez and Ex. Matlab electric field is in ZX plane. Which plane? ZX plane. So obviously the magnetic field will be perpendicular to this plane. Magnetic field will be in Y plane. So here I can see two options, BY. Either this option will be correct or this option will be correct. Let us see. So one thing we have done is first we have taken two options. Two options we have rejected already with direction only. Now tell me, here we have E naught value given. What is the E naught value given? E naught value is 60. We have K value given. What is the K value? Kx, K is 5. Omega value is given. Omega is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 9. Can we calculate V? What will be V? Can I write V is equals to omega by K? V is equals to omega by K. If V is equal to omega by K, I'll write 1.5 into 10 raised to power 9 upon k, that is 5, it will give me what? It will give me 0.3 into 10 raised to power 9. 0.3 into 10 raised to power 9. Now please tell me, if I can write V is equals to epsilon naught by B naught. I hope you might have studied this earlier. V is equals to E naught by B naught. From here I can directly get B naught value. What will be that B naught value? It will be E naught by V. E naught by V. What is E naught value? It is 60. I can write directly 60 by V. What is that V? 0.3 into 10 raised to power 9. This will go up. It will become 10 raised to power minus 9. Cancel, cancel. I am going to get 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 cos kx plus omega t. Second option will be correct. Second option will be correct. This is how it should be done. Then we have question number 3. Let us see. Question number 3 is of organ pipes. Question number 3 is of organ pipes. That is waves. What are they saying? A pipe open at both the ends has a fundamental frequency f in air. If it is open at both the ends, means it is a open organ pipe. It is open organ pipe. There is the pipe of length L which is open at both the ends. Open at both the ends. So what will be the fundamental frequency of it? V by 2L. How much? V by 2L. I hope you might be knowing this. If you don't, please refer your NCERT book. This is open organ pipe. Frequency, fundamental frequency will be V by 2L. What are they saying further? Pipe is now dipped vertically in water drum to half of its length. The fundamental frequency of the air column is now equal to. Same pipe is now dipped. Same pipe is now dipped in water. Half of it is dipped. Now the length is going to be what? L dash, that is L by 2. As well as this is open organ pipe. This will become closed organ pipe. Why? Because one of the end is closed by water. Now the frequency is going to be F dash. F dash will be what? V by 4 L dash. V by 4 L dash. What will be this L dash value? L dash value will be L by 2. V by 4 into L by 2. 2 will come here. Here also we will get V by 2L. What is this V by 2L? It is F. So F dash is going to be equal to F. F dash is going to be equal to F. So the right answer is going to be third option. Right answer is going to be third option. Then we have question number 4. Let us do that. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, again we have magnetism, electric field, everything involved. What is the question? An electron of mass 9 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg and charge 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb moving with a speed c by 100. What is the speed? V is equal to c by 100. So there is a electron which has got negative charge and there is a mass of it 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Charge on it is minus of 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Now what is happening here? They are saying that this is moving with a speed of c by 100 and it is injected in a magnetic field. It has been penetrated into a magnetic field. So obviously this will experience a force, that is Q V cross B. What will be the force applicable? Q V cross B. Q is charge on electron. Electron ka charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Now what are they saying? B of magnitude 9 into 10 raised to power 4 Tesla perpendicular to its direction of motion. So obviously if it is perpendicular to the direction of motion, force will be applicable. Q V cross B, force will be applicable. We wish to apply a uniform electric field together with the magnetic field so that electron does not deflect from its path. If electron does not deflect, what will happen? If let us say this is the electron, one side electric force should be applicable, that is QE. On the other side, QVB should be applicable, that is magnetic field. They should balance out each other. Then only it will not deflect. Net force will become equal to 0. What I can write? QE will be equals to QVB. Q cancel. They are asking us what will be the electric field. If I have to calculate electric field, it will be V into B. What is the velocity with which it is traveling? Velocity with which it is traveling, it is c by 100. How much? C by 100. magnetic field it has been injected into 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4. And please remember, since magnetic field is in this direction, electric field has to be perpendicular, because magnetic field B cross B will be perpendicular, so electric field should be perpendicular to the magnetic field. Please mind this. Here C value is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 by 100 into 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Now here we are going to get 2.7. So I may get an answer which will be equal to, this is 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Here 4 will be left. 2 goes to 27. 8, 4 minus 4, 4, 2 into 10 raised to power 2. Means we will get 27 into 10 raised to power 2. 27 into 10 raised to power 2 is this option as well as this option. See, electric field is parallel to B, not possible. If electric field is parallel to B, the force will not be applicable. Which force? Either magnetic force will not be applicable or electric field. So electric field must be perpendicular to B. That will be the correct answer. That is third option. This is question number 4. Question number 4, option 3 will be correct. Now let us do the fifth question. Question number 5. And it seems that question number 5 is of optics. What are they saying? In a certain camera, combination of 4 similar thin convex lenses are arranged axially in contact. Then the power of the combination of the total magnification in comparison to power and magnification M for each lens will be respectively. Now see, what are they saying? They are asking power. If the lenses are combined, axially, what will be the power? 4. We know F total will be equals to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3 plus 1 by F4. This will be the combination. 1 by F is what? Power. Total power will become equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4. Are they saying these are identical lenses? See, similar thin convex lens. 4 similar means if this is P, the total power will become 4P. Now 4P options, can you see? 4P, there are 2 options. Again, either second option will be correct or fourth option will be correct, but we have to check for magnification. What are they saying? What will be the total magnification? Magnification total will be again multiplication M1 into M2 into M3 into M4. Since all the magnifications are equal, it will become M raised to power 4. 4P and M raised to power 4. Which option? Fourth option. Answer. These are first 5 questions of the question paper, page number 1 of code 47. Here we have question number 6. Let us do this. Question number 6. Let's do question number 6. What are they saying? 2 ampere current is flowing through 2 different small circular copper coil having radius 1:2. The ratio of their respective magnetic moment. What is magnetic moment? It is NIA. What is it? NIA. What are they saying? The radii ratio is 1:2. 2 ampere current is flowing through 2 different small circular copper coil. Now number of turn is same, current is same, only the radius is different. Please tell me, can I write it as Ni into pi r square? Can I say magnetic moment is directly proportional to r? Can I write M1 by M2 will be equals to R1 by R2 whole square? Are you okay with this? If this is the scenario, please tell me, ratio of radius is what? 1:2. So obviously magnetic moment ratio will become what? M1:M2. 1/2 whole square, that is 1/4. 1:4. 1:4 means 1:4. Which answer will be correct? Second option will be correct. This is till question number 6, first page. Let us go to second page. Here we have, okay, question number 7. Let us do that. Question number 7. Question number 7. This is again a question of current and electricity. Here we have to use Kirchhoff's law as per the view of the question paper. Question is, what are they saying? A constant voltage of 50 volt is maintained between the point A and B. Yes, obviously there is a battery connected, so 50 volt will be maintained. Point A and B in the circuit shown in figure. Current through the branch CD of the circuit. What will be the current through this CD branch, the middle branch? What will be the current? Let's do this. I am assuming that total current coming in is I. How much current is coming? I. That is getting distributed into I1 and I2. And here I am saying that current going is I3. If the current going is I3, here it will become I1 minus I3. And here it will become I2 plus I3. Because here I1 is coming, I3 is dividing. So I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. Now, please tell me, can I apply Kirchhoff's law in each loop? First, I am applying Kirchhoff's law in first loop. If I am applying Kirchhoff's law in the first loop, it will become what? 1 I1 minus 3 I2 will become equal to 0. Can I write I1 will be equal to 3 I2? Equation number 1. Second equation, I am going to apply KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law, in second loop. It will give me what? Twice of I1 minus I3. See, I1 minus I3, twice of I1 minus I3. Minus 4 of I2 plus I3. That will also be equal to 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Let me cancel it here only. I1 minus I3 minus of 2I2 minus of 2I3 is equal to 0. From here, what am I going to get? I3, 2I3. And here we have I1 is equals to 3I2. I1 is equals to 3I2. Let me put it here. I1 is equals to 3I2. 3I2. Minus of I3, minus of 2I3, it will become minus of 3I3. Minus of 2I2 we have already. Minus of 2I2 is equal to 0. 3I2 plus 3I2 minus 2I2, it will become I2 is equal to 3I3. I2 is equal to 3I3. Here 3 minus 2 will become 1. 1I2 is equal to 3I3. Now they are not asking us this. They are asking what will be the current in this. What will be the current in CD, that is I3. So I am going to apply KVL again in this loop from here to A like this, which consists of the battery also. What am I going to get? First I am going to get 3I2. 3I2. First I am going to get 3I2. Then I am going to get 4 plus 4 I2 plus I3 minus of 50 volt is equal to 0. Now my goal is to calculate I3. So in place of I2, I am going to substitute I3 again. Let me do this. Here we have 3I2, here we will have 4I2, that will give us 7I2 plus 4I3, that is equal to 50. 7I2, I2 is equal to 3I3. Can I substitute it here? It will become 21I3 plus 4I3, that will be 25I3 is equal to 50. That means I3 value will be equal to 50 by 25, that will be 2 ampere. How much? 2 ampere. So am I going to get 2 ampere? Yes. So third option will be the correct one. Next question is question number 8, which is of gases state, I feel, KTG, kinetic theory of gases. Let us do that. What is the question saying? Two gases A and B, there are two different gases which is A and B, are filled at the same pressure. Pressure is same in the separate cylinder with movable piston of radius RA and RB. Movable piston which has got different radii. Radiuses are different, RA and RB respectively. On supplying an equal amount of heat to both the system, means Q1 and Q2, that is heat given to the system, that is Q1 and Q2, heat is same. How much heat we have given? Let us say to the A system we have given Q1 heat, B system also we have given Q2 heat. Q1 and Q2 are equal to each other. Please mind this, Q1 and Q2 are equal to each other. Piston radius is different. Next thing, what are they saying? Equal amount of heat to both the system reversibly under constant pressure. Fine, pressure is constant. Piston of the gas A and B are displaced by 16 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Now piston A is displaced by 16, piston B is displaced by 9. So obviously they will cover different volume. What will be they covering? Let's say VA volume, delta VA, that is volume covered by first piston. How much it will be? Pi RA square into length. How much length? 16 centimeter into 16 centimeter. Similarly, delta VB will be equals to pi RB square into 9 centimeter. This is the volume they have swept. If change in their internal energy is same, but they are saying delta U1 is equal to delta U2. Energy is also same. Change in internal energy is also same. Now, they are saying then the ratio of RA and RB, the radius ratio will be how much? What will be the radius ratio? Let us do this. Please tell me, can I say that delta Q is equal to delta U plus work done? Delta U plus work done. Delta U plus work done. This is for the first one. Now, please tell me delta Q minus delta U. Delta U will be equals to work done, W1. This is the first thing. In the second thing, what will happen? Delta Q2 minus delta U2 will be equals to W2. They are saying heat given is same, change in energy is same, heat given is same, change in energy is same. So don't you think W1 and W2 will be equal to each other? If I find the ratio, then I can write directly W1 by W2 will be equal to each other, because the ratio is going to cancel out each other. This and this will get cancelled. W1 will be equals to W2. I can directly write work done is what? P delta V. Work done is what? P delta V. So here I am going to get P1 delta V1 by P2 delta V2, that will be equals to 1. And as they are saying that pressure is same, here you can see this, that pressure under constant pressure is constant. Delta V1, delta V2 are equal to each other. Am I going to get pi RA square into 16 by pi RB square into 9 is equal to 1. Pi cancel. They are asking us RA by RB or RB by RA. RA by RB. So RA by RB is going to be RA by RB. Value of RA by RB is going to be RA by RB will be equals to 9 by 16 whole raised to power 1 by 2. It's going to be 3 by 4. Which option is 3 by 4? 3 by 4 will be our correct answer. Third option will be our correct answer for question number 8. Let us do question number 9 now. What is that question number 9? Again the similar kind of question, that is of thermal, or you can say gas state. A container has two chambers of volume V1 and V2, 2 liter, 3 liter, separated by a partition made of thermal insulator, having chamber containing N1 5, N2 4 moles of ideal gas. Pressure is P1 1 atmosphere, pressure P2 is 2 atmosphere respectively. And see, there was this cylinder, it was partitioned. On one side pressure was P1, on another side pressure was P2, A gas, B gas. What we have done? We have removed this. We have removed the partition. Earlier cylinder was partitioned. Now what they have done? They have removed this partition. They have removed. So what will happen? The gases will mix again. Now we have to apply law of mixture. When the partition is removed, the mixture attain an equilibrium pressure of, what will be the equilibrium pressure of? So I can write PV is equals to P1 V1 plus P2 V2. This is law of mixture. PV is equals to P1 V1 plus P2 V2. They are asking us what will be the pressure. What will be the pressure? Initial pressure is what? P1 is 1 atmosphere, P2 is 2 atmosphere. P1 is 1 atmosphere into V1 2 plus P2 2 V2 3 upon P1 plus P2, that is 2 plus 3. It will give me what? 2 plus 6, 8, 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is going to be, I think, around 1.6. 1.6 atmosphere will be the correct answer. That is third option. That is third option. Let us solve question number 9. Let us solve question number 9. 10. Question number 10. Where it is? Here. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is this question? Radius of Martian orbit. Martian orbit means what? Mars. Mars orbit around the sun is 4 times the radius of orbit of Mercury. The Martian year, the time period of Mars to revolve around sun is 687 Earth days. What? One day we have 24 hours on Earth. It takes 687 days like that for Mars to complete sun full rotation. Then they are saying, then which of the following is the length of 1 year on Mercury? What will be the length of 1 year on Mercury? Now you might have heard of this. T square is directly proportional to R cube. Recently I have taught this to my students. The people who will be watching, they will come to know this is third law. This is third law. I hope you know this, Kepler's third law. T square is directly proportional to R cube. I can directly write T1 by T2 whole square will be equals to R1 by R2 whole cube. What is R1? Martian radius is 4 times that of Mercury. So I can write 4R by R whole cube is equals to 687 days by T2, we don't know, whole cube. R and R will get cancelled. 4 into 4 into 4. I think it will be 64. It will give us 64. Here we are going to get, sorry, this is square, 687 by T2 whole square. This will come under root. Let me say that this is also okay. T2 is going to be what? 687 by root 64. What will be root 64? 8. Root 64 will be how much? 8. Now how much this value will come around? Let us check from the answer. Let us check from the answer. If you divide it, it will take longer time. You can divide it, not a problem. But if you divide it, it will give you less than 100, because this is not above 800. Less than 100 is only one option, that is 88 Earth days. Answer. No need to divide entire thing. Can you see it is 687, that is less than 800. If it is less than 800, if we divide it, it should be 100 days and below. There is only one option which is below 100 days, 88 days. Answer. Directly you can tick. This is question number 10. Second option will be the correct answer. Next is our question number 11. Question number 11 is of alternating current. Very, very simple question. What are they saying? To an AC power supply 220 volt and 50 hertz. There is this AC power supply which is having 220 volt and 50 hertz. They are saying it is connected to resistor, capacitor reactance 25 ohm. Resistor is of 20 ohm. Capacitor whose reactance is, matlab XC value they have given. What have they given? XC value, that is 25 ohm. Inductor reactance XL value they have given, that is 45 ohm, are connected in series. Corresponding current in the circuit and the phase angle between the current and voltage. What will be the current in the circuit? Okay, this is very simple. Here we have a resistor, here we have a capacitor, here we have an inductor connected to it. Here R value is given 20 ohm. XC value is given. What is that XC value? XC value is given 25 ohm. 25 ohm. XL value is given. What is that XL value? XL value is 45 ohm. 45 ohm. First of all, we need to find Z value. Z value. What will be Z value? It will be R square plus XC minus XL ka whole square, or XL minus XC ka whole square, whichever is larger. Because a square, 45 minus 25 is going to be 20 under root 20 square plus 20 square. It will give me 20 root 2. 20 root 2. This is Z value. But they are asking us current. What are they asking us? Current. What will be current? Current will be V by Z. What will be current? V by Z. What is our V? 220 by Z. Z value is 20 root 2. 20 root 2. 2 cancel. 11 by root 2. 11 by root 2. 11 by current is going to be 11 upon 1.4. 11 by 1.4. So 11 by 1.4, obviously it will not be 15.6, it is going to be 7.8, and 7.8 is only two options. Now it depends on our phase angle, because they are also asking us phase angle between them. Current is going to be obviously 7.8, no need to calculate. From the options you can select. Tan phi. Tan phi will be equals to XC minus XL or XL minus XC mod upon R. XL minus XC is 20, R is also 20, 20 by 20 will give me 1. Tan phi is only 1 when phi is equals to 45 degree. So 45 degree and 7.8 ampere, that is third option. This will be the correct answer. This will be the correct answer. This is question number 11. Answer will be third option. This is a good question of alternating current. It's an easy one. Then we have question number 12. Let us see this. What are they saying? Question number 12 says that it is a very simple question of current and electricity. Just have a look on this. What are they saying? That there is a wire of resistance R which is cut into 8 equal halves. 8 parts they have cut it into. R by 8, R by 8, R by 8, R by 8. Into 8 parts. From these pieces, 2 equal resistances are made by adding 4 of these together in parallel. See, there was this wire which has been cut into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Each will have R by 8 resistance. Each will have R by 8 resistance. What they have done? 4 they have connected in parallel. Matlab R by 8, R by 8 and R by 8. 4 times it is connected in parallel. 4 times it is connected in parallel. What will happen? R by 8 into 1 by 4 it will become. Matlab it will become R by 32. One combination will become R by 32. What are they saying? Then these two sets, this kind of two sets they have made. There is a first set, another set is there. These two sets are added in series. Net effective resistance. Okay, so R by 32 plus R by 32 they have connected in series. What will be the total? So it will be twice of R by 32. Twice of R by 32, 2 and 2, 16. Here it will become R by 16. What will be the answer? R by 16, fourth option. Fourth option will be correct. This is question number 12, which is again from current and electricity. Then 13th one is very easy. Can you see? There is a very simple thing. There is a NAND gate, there is a NOR gate, and together they are combining to give another one, right? So here I can directly tell you, this will give us what? A plus B bar into A dot B bar. Together it will give me what? A plus B ka whole bar. Matlab which gate it will become? NOR gate. It's very simple. That's not a big deal. It will directly, you can say that this will become a NOR gate. What will it become? It will become a NOR gate. That is option number 1. Let us proceed further. Let us proceed further to question number 14. Here we have question number 14. This is from electrostatics, I feel. Let us see. Two identically charged conducting sphere A and B have their center separated by certain distance. What are they saying? There are two spheres having same charge. Let us say Q and Q. Their centers are separated by R. So what will be the force of repulsion between them? Force of repulsion between them will be kq square by r square. Very simple. Now what are they saying? Charge on each sphere is q. Force of repulsion between them is F. A third identically uncharged. The third one is not charged. Uncharged identical conducting sphere is brought in contact with sphere A first. First it is brought in contact with sphere A. So what will happen? The charge will get redistributed into q by 2 and q by 2. Now what are they saying? They have A and then with B. First they have connected it with A, left it, then connected it to B. Charge will again get redistributed when it is connected to B. Finally removed from both. What will happen? Here, check this out. Now here it has got q by 2 charge. The other has come which has got q by 2 charge, and this has got q. Charge will again get redistributed equally. Q by 2. Here it will become finally 3q by 4. Here also it will become 3q by 4. Because the total charge is going to be q plus q by 2. That is 3q by 2. Half will go here, half will come here. Finally on this sphere 3q by 4 charge will be there. On the other sphere it will be q by 2. Let us see further. New force of repulsion between sphere A and B. When the distance of separation between calculating the force considered is best given as. Okay. What will be the force between them when the distance is same? What will be the force? F dash will be equals to K 3q by 4 into q by 2 upon r square. So here it will become 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 will come outside. It will become 3 by 8 kq square by r square. This is F, means F dash is going to be equal to 3 by 8 F. 3 by 8 F. Where is this 3 by 8? First option, that will be the correct answer. Let us go to next question, that is question number 15. Question number 15. This is of error and measurement. We are using vernier caliper as well as the least count reading and all. Let us do this. What are they saying? Consider a diameter of a spherical object being measured with the help of a vernier caliper. What are they doing? There is this spherical object whose diameter has to be measured using a vernier. Suppose 10 vernier scale division are equal to 9 main scale division. So you might have studied that X VSD vernier scale division will be equals to Y MSD main scale division. Here what is happening? 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD main scale division. The least division in MS main scale is 0.1 centimeter. How much main scale can measure minimum? That is 0.1 centimeter. Let us do this. Can I write 1 VSD will be equals to 9 by 10 of MSD main scale division? Please remember, one main scale division minus vernier scale division will give me least count. If I have to calculate least count, that will be 1 MSD main scale division minus 1 VSD vernier scale division. Can I write 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is what? 9 by 10 MSD. It will give me what? 1 by 10 MSD. Is it okay for everyone? This is 0.1 MSD. What is the minimum main scale? It is 0.1 centimeter. Can I multiply it here? 0.1 centimeter. It is going to be 0.01 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter, and the zero of vernier scale is at 0.1 centimeter. This is one of type of error which is going to come, because they are saying that the zero of vernier scale is at 0.1 centimeter. Matlab it is not at 0, it is at 0.1. So this is the error. When the jaws of the vernier caliper are closed, if the main scale reading of the diameter is 5 centimeter, what is the main scale reading? It is 5 centimeter plus, how much it is on the vernier scale? It is 8 on the vernier scale. On the vernier scale it is coming 8. So 8 into least count, Least count is how much? 0.01. I am going to get 5.08. But the problem lies is there is some amount of error also, that is 0.1. So that error we have to subtract, that is 0.1. It will give me 4.98 centimeter. This will be the measurement. I think there is only one answer, that is fourth option. Fourth option will be correct. Fourth option is going to be correct. Let us do question number 16. Let us do question number 16. What is this question number 16? A very simple one. Mathematical question. Let us do this. Let us do this. Question number 16. In some appropriate units, time and position x, relation of a moving particle is given by t is equal to x square plus x. What is the relation given? T is equal to x square plus x plus x. T square plus x. Moving particle is given by t square, t is equal to x square plus x. The acceleration of the particle will be. They are not asking us velocity, they are asking us acceleration. Can I differentiate both sides with respect to time? This will become dt by dt. What am I doing? I am differentiating the equation both sides with respect to time. It will become 2x dx by dt plus dx by dt. This will become 1. Here it will be 2x plus 1 dx by dt. Dx by dt is what? V. So I have got dx by dt now. What is that dx by dt value? It is 1 by 2x plus 1. I have to differentiate it again with respect to time to get to acceleration. If I have to get to acceleration, I will do this again, d2x by dt square. If we differentiate it, it will become minus of 2, because here we will have 2x plus 1 whole raised to power 2 into dx by dt. Chain rule, I have applied chain rule. Now this dx by dt has to be multiplied here. Dx by dt has to be multiplied. What is the dx by dt value? That is 2x plus 1. That has to be multiplied here. It will become minus of 2 by 2x plus 1 whole raised to power 3. Is there any option like that? That will be the correct one. Yes, third option seems to be like this. That will be the correct answer. This is question number 16. Let us proceed further. Then we have question number 17. Question number 17. This is a very simple question. It's not a big deal. Question number 17. Which of the following option represents variation of photoelectric current with property of light shown on x-axis? What have they given? One is photoelectric current and intensity of light. We all know photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of light. I can tell you one thing. Photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity, and other thing is frequency of light. Photoelectric current does not depend on frequency. So from my point of view, A and D seems to be correct, because this is directly proportional to, so it is a straight line passing through origin. Here it is not dependent, that's why, can you see, it is till F naught, till threshold frequency does not show anything, then there it shows a current. If that's the scenario, then which option will be correct? Let us see. So D and A is correct. So A and D, fourth option will be our correct answer. Fourth option will be our correct answer for the 17th question, which is of modern physics. Which is again of modern physics. Let us do question number 18. Now we have question number 18. We have question number 18. Let us do that. Question number 18 is again of modern physics, Bohr's model. What is it about? Let us see. Particle of mass m is moving around origin with a constant force F pulling it towards the origin. Okay. If Bohr model is used to describe its motion, the radius r of nth orbit and particle speed v, particle speed v in the orbit depends on n as. Let us do this. What is it about? Let's say particle of mass m. So I can directly write force will be mv square by r. Centripetal force and centrifugal force. Here we have force is directly proportional to v square, as well as you must be knowing that mvr is equals to nh by 2 pi. nh by 2 pi. One thing we are aware about is that v raised to power 3 will be directly proportional to n. Why am I saying this? Because your r can be written as mv square by f. So your r is directly proportional to v square. If r is directly proportional to v square, if I substitute it here, I can directly say that v cube is directly proportional to n. V cube is directly proportional to n. So from here I can say that v will be directly proportional to n raised to power 1 by 3. No problem. Other aspect is what? That r is directly proportional to v square. R is directly proportional to v square. So here we can also say that r will be directly proportional to n raised to power 2 by 3. n raised to power 2 by 3. So here let us see which options can be correct. V is directly proportional to n raised to power 1 by 3 we have, as well as n raised to power 2 by 3 we have. Third option seems to be correct. Third option seems to be correct for Bohr's model. Then we have this question from circular motion. We have this question from circular motion. Let us try to do this. This is also a very good question. People do it in horizontal circular motion. Let us try to do this. Let us try to do this. Circular motion question of first year syllabus. What is it about? There is this particle, bob of heavy mass m suspended by a light string of length l. Bob is given a horizontal velocity v0 as shown in figure. If the string gets a slack means the tension will become equal to 0. String is not taut enough. It slacks. It becomes slacks at this p point. But tension will become equal to 0 at p point. Making an angle theta from the horizontal, the ratio of speed v of bob at point p to its initial velocity v0 is. Let us do this. How will we do it? First of all, this particle which has been projected with v0 velocity here, tension will become equal to 0. Tension will become equal to 0. First thing, mg force will be acting in downward direction. If this is our theta angle, here I am going to get mg sine theta, that is component of mg. And in the outward direction, I am going to get mv square by r. I am going to get mv square by r. If the tension is going to be equal to 0 and it is traveling with v velocity here, I can directly write mv square by r or mv square by l will be equals to mg sine theta. M and m will get cancelled. From here, v square is equal to rg or l. Let me write l for you. Why? Because the length of the length is given, that is l. Let us use l for this. So it will become l into g sine theta. V square will become. After that, we should apply conservation of energy. From this point to this point, from A point to P point, I am applying conservation of energy. Total mechanical energy initial from A to total mechanical energy final till P. I am considering this as my reference line, so potential energy is going to be 0. Kinetic energy will be half m v0 square. When it reaches here, it will have both potential energy and kinetic energy. What will be the kinetic energy? Half m v square plus, it will be at this height. What will be this height? It will be L plus this much, that is going to be L sine theta. How much it will be? L sine theta. So overall it is going to be L 1 plus sine theta. Mg L 1 plus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta. M will get cancelled. From here, can you see we have v square? Can I substitute it here? It will become v0 square by 2 is equal to v square by 2. What is v square? That is Lg sine theta by 2 plus LG plus LG sin theta. LG I'm writing it here plus LG sine of theta. I've just taken it together. Now what will happen? We have to find what will be the value of V naught. What will be the value of V naught? Can I multiply 2 both sides? What will happen? The 2 will get cancelled. Here extra 2 will come. Here extra 2 will come. LG sin theta plus 2 LG sin theta. What will it become? 3 LG sin theta plus 2 LG. Now from here we have V naught square. Now from here we have, what do we have? We have V naught square. They are asking us what will be the V naught value. What will be the V naught value in terms of the ratio of speed V and V naught. Oh, they are not asking us V naught value. They are asking us V by V naught. What are they asking? V upon V naught. This is our V. This is our V naught. If they are asking V by V naught, I can directly write V by V naught square, dividing 1 into LG will get cancelled. Up we will have sin theta. Down what will come? LG already cancelled. It will be 2 plus 3 sine of theta. Whole raised to power. If the square is cancelled, here it will become 1 by 2. Which answer will be correct? I think first option will be correct. First option seems to be correct. Yes. This is question number 19. Question number 19. First option is going to be correct. Let us do question number 20. Let us do question number 20 now. Where is question number 20? Okay, question number 20 is of semiconductor. Question number 20 is of semiconductor. What are they saying? Let us understand. There is a full wave rectifier. What is it? Full wave rectifier. What is full wave? Full wave is this one. Full wave rectifier with a diode D1 and D2 as shown in figure. In the input voltage, V input is equals to 220 sine omega t. Omega is how much? Omega is 100 pi. 100 pi. See, omega can also be written as 2 pi by time period. You can calculate time period from here. What will be the time period as such? Time period will become 2 by 100. That is going to be 0.02 seconds. Then at t is equal to 15 milliseconds. What is it? 15 milliseconds. 15 milliseconds means t will be equals to 0.015 seconds. 0.15 seconds. While the time period is 0.02 seconds, this is 0.015 seconds. Can I write t is equals to 3 by 4 of the time period? 3 by 4 of the time period. At 3 by 4 of the time period, what will happen? The current which will be going here will be 0, and here the current which will be going will be 1, because this is ulta moving. Now it is going like this. So here this will become forward bias, while this will become reverse bias. D1 will become reverse bias, D2 will become forward bias. D1 reverse biased, D2 forward biased. Third option will be correct. Third option will be correct. ये जिस बच्चे का भी पेपर है, the student whose paper is this, he has done a lot of mistakes. He has done a lot of mistakes. First, D1 will be reverse biased, D2 will be forward biased.